Hello traders, Binary Price here with another video introducing FX options. So without further ado, let's jump right into the action.
What are FX options and how to trade FX options? Foreign exchange options, or FX options, are contracts that give you the right to exchange one currency for another at a preset exchange rate at a specified moment of time in the future.
That's right, so these options will combine Forex and digital options as well as binary options, will be based on future price prediction. That means benefiting from a short time technical analysis of the underlying asset. So if you are disappointed about the binary option ban, this is such a good news for all of us who were trading gladly binary options. Plus the potential of FX options seems to be unlimited, as you can earn more than 100% of your initial investment, and on the other hand you can only lose your initial investment. That means if you invest $10 on a specific trade, you cannot exceed that loss amount. Your loss cannot exceed $10. So that means you can lose $10 and you can potentially win up to a couple of 100% return. So that means you can earn $30, $40, $50, $60. Whether that ratio is going to be profitable long term, we will find out. We will tell you, and I will present video from trading experience as well. But for now, let's continue and let's review FX options, what we know so far.
There are two main types of FX options. A call option gives you the right to buy an asset. A put option gives you the right to sell an asset.
Right, so this is exactly the same as for binary options and digital options that were, as you may know, that were recently banned by ESMA restrictions. So there will be no restriction on this brand new trading asset, and you will be able to trade on IQ Option platform. So let's go back to my presentation, and I would like to introduce a couple more details so we can trade and get briefed on this subject with more details. Right, so I've already mentioned binary options and Forex, or combining these two financial instruments, and all the benefits that you can get from trading FX options. FX options will be traded on IQ Option very soon. They are already available for traders non-residing in EU, so they are already available for traders outside the European Union, and within 1 or 2 weeks you will be able to trade FX options on binary options on IQ Option as well. So we are really looking forward to review this instrument, and we cannot wait for the official launch. We will obviously inform you, and we will launch another video very soon, very shortly. Right, so as I have already mentioned, non-regulated markets can already enjoy the FX option launch. Other regulations that are currently valid for markets are CFDs. The leverage was significantly decreased from 150 to 1 to 10 or 20 to 1. So leverages were affected for CFDs and were decreased in European Union or at brokers that are regulated in the EU. Forex, same for Forex. Leverages were significantly decreased, and you can only trade Forex pairs with leverages around 20 to 1 or even 10 to 1. So that's the massive difference. But I think this restriction is fairly reasonable, as many beginners jumped into the action and were losing, or didn't realize that you can lose a potentially very high amount, a substantial amount of money. So I think this is pretty reasonable. This is very reasonable. What isn't reasonable is the digital and binary option ban, as we believe that we were able to profit, and not just us, but other traders were able to profit from trading binary and digital options. So this was not reasonable. However, this is how the situation is, and this is what the situation looks like, and where we stand. So digital options are currently banned. Cryptocurrencies were also affected. Leverages were chopped down, cut down from 10 or 15 to 1 to 2 to 1, and in some cases even 1 to 1. So they are not possible to trade. You will not be able to trade them with any leverage. So 1 to 1 ratio. Right. So let's now go back to the big news, and that's FX options. What are they? The combination of forex, binary options, and digital options, as you can base your trading on future time prediction or future price prediction on a short time horizon, on a short time frame. That's what I wanted to say. Right, there's a money tree. So if you are going to be printing money, or whether you would be able to print money, that is a good question, because I cannot answer that obviously, as I haven't tested it yet, as I haven't tried, but I will jump into action as soon as the FX options will be launched for the EU market as well. So this will come very shortly. Trading involves currency pairs, so exactly the same as forex and digital options. They will not be ESMA restricted, which is European Securities Commission. So you don't need to worry about being restricted within 1 or 2 months. And should you find yourself to be able to beat or be profitable in this financial instrument, this should be very good news for you. As I already mentioned, short-term trades for 1 or 5 minutes. So these will be 2 options available: 1-minute trades and 5-minute trades for the FX options. Loss can't exceed investment. Again, example, you may invest $20 for one specific trade. That means 1-minute option or 5-minute option, and you will not be able to lose more than $20 in that one specific single trade. However, unlimited profit percentage, that means you can potentially earn up to infinity, which is theory obviously, but in practice $30, $80, $90 will be possible for you to earn. I'm not saying it's going to be easy, but the possibility exists, and we will soon find out how great that instrument is and how realistic these numbers are. Right, 1 or 5-minute expiry, it's very clear now, and 14 different currency pairs is what will be offered as of now. Right, so if you like information provided in this video, you should also visit our website, Facebook page, facebook.com//binary videos, and our website is really important because every video that we record we write article about it as well in far more detail, so you can read much more information on our website www.binaryprice.com with this logo right here. And if you like our work, you should subscribe obviously, and we will thank you right now and next time as well, and you can enjoy much more information with us. Right, so have a nice day, have a nice evening, and best of luck trading. Alright, this was Binary Price with FX Options. Bye bye.